the pin code level and towards the zonal and regional heads as well, primarily aimed at optimizing their merchant acquisition workflows. Now, this level of customization that you see on the screen is done for those customers who have a very specific requirement. As you can see on the left-hand side, these are different analytical modules that have been developed after long discussions with this client. So on the left-hand side, you can see this panel, which has different analysis like affluence grids, commercial activity, the competitive landscape. So basically, what other banks and ATMs, what are their primary competitors who are present and where are they're located. Then we have some insights on household profiles, high footfall zones, even new construction zones, because these banks are really keen on tracking the future growth areas, basically where new construction activity is happening so that they can plan their expansion and they can consequently target those catchments as well. Now, just a background on how we have done this. So basically what you're seeing here on the screen is a basic front-end application that we have developed, while these maps are coming in from MapReveal. So we have created an account for this particular client, and all the map sessions that you're seeing on the screen are coming in from MapReveal itself. So in to sort of enable the development of this portal, we created two fresh APIs. So one is the WFS filter on the fly. So basis the input. So here you can see the user is on 201301. This is a pin code in Noida in Uttar Pradesh state in India. And then based on where he is on the screen. So here I'm in commercial activity and I'm in auto dealerships. So the WFS also gets filtered accordingly. Now, in the second step, we had to create another API. So this is called the Layer Data Access API. So basis what has been filtered on the WFS, the consequently the data access API also populates these fields, because there was a need to actually deep dive into the POI level. As you can see here, this is MG Motor Showroom in India in the same pin code, and then there are various analysis available for that particular pin code. So as you can see, we have weekend locations. So basically, whoever has like the customers who essentially came here, where do they work? Where do they spend their time on the weekends? Similarly, we have the work locations. So the folks who had visited this particular MG Motor showroom in India, where are they working? Then additionally, we have some insights on the footfall. So the time of the day, and the day of week. So as you can see here, this particular POI receives the highest footfall on Sunday. So from a business use case perspective, this is helpful in such a way that since this is a bank, and let's say they are actively pushing their products like auto loans, and if this MG Motor showroom is not already a merchant and not already in their portfolio, and they want to send their ground teams here, then maybe it would be wise to send it on a Sunday and between 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Now, going back to the analysis modules, like I briefly mentioned earlier, we have new construction zones, we have the household profiles, and the locations of government offices, the affluence grids. This is basically done to sort of help the relationship managers and the branch managers to plan their local promotional campaigns. So if I am the branch manager and this is a pin code under my jurisdiction, and if I want to set up some kiosk or some out-of-home advertising or some other local promotional campaigns, then maybe these are the areas where I should plan. Now, at this stage, this has been done for 2000 pin codes in India. We will shortly be scaling this up to the entirety of urban India. Thanks for watching.